Hey Jimmy's, it's Tafif. So today I'm very happy because I got a package from Wrap and Ride, and so today I'm gonna get my bike a complete new look. So even you must be excited. So let's open this. So I got a keychain and this is a wrap. So despite of being a big roll, it's not damaged. So this Wrap and Ride people deliver it from West Bengal. They customize everything and they give us a warranty too. So I'll talk to you everything and I will explain everything while we are going and when I'm at the shop when the wrap is in progress. I'm pretty much nervous too just because I haven't seen how this wrap's gonna look on my bike. So you can say like 70% nervous and 30% excited. So there was no visual display for like how this wrap's gonna look on my bike. So this wrap is completely customized. I got this wrap from a Turkish biker and I gave them this design for the Wrap and Ride team. So they customized it for me. So if it's gonna look bad, I'm just screwed. You can because I spent like 7,000 for this wrap. So it's been like 1 month since I have rode my bike and because I was in Vizag. So let's get going, guys. While we are at the shop, even you will be seeing how is this kind of wrap look. So even this keychain, I got this keychain from Amazon and it's completely amazing because I just love this keychain because it's very vibrant and colorful too. So let's not talk about the keychain. Let's get going over there. Let me keep my bike for a while. Right now I'm on my way to sticker shop. It's in King Koti, Hyderabad. So while I was talking about stickering, everything, customization cost, so it cost me up to 6.5k to 7k I can say. And then this design is completely customized. So they didn't have this design Wrap and Ride team like you maybe like wrap decals or everything. They didn't have this. So I got this from a Turkish biker. I saw an Instagram post and then I took a screenshot and I sent them this. So they designed it for me. They took it like a 4 to 5 days just for completing the design because it was very hard. If I had to talk about Wrap and Ride, so I can say they are the best in India for making customization decals or everything like that. So they do it for every bike. If you have a Ntorq, even like a Aprilia or Activa or a Hero Honda, Passion, not Passion, maybe for Pulsars, everything like super bikes. So they also give a premium quality warranty too, like maybe 3 years until 2 years. So 3 years they cover everything, not scratches, just the glue and the color fade. So it's completely wonderful, like I can say. So maybe if you guys want to hear about the review and the quality of the wrap, so I'm not going to talk about this topic in this vlog because I haven't touched the wrap or saw the wrap on my bike. So maybe I can talk about the quality while it's being stickered. So the Wrap and Ride team says it's a 3mm quality sticker. Even I'm not even sure how it's gonna look or how it's gonna feel. So let's get going. While I'm in the sticker shop, I'm gonna talk about the quality and how it's gonna look. So this is the package that I got from Wrap and Ride. You can see there is no physical damage and the stickers are also safe inside it. So I can give like 5/5 star for delivery. So right now I'm at stickering shop Tech Radium works. So I can suggest you guys this shop for stickering or wrapping anything. It's in Hyderabad, located King Koti. So I'll drop the location of the shop in the description so you guys can get over there. And the prices are also reasonable. So the stickering guy says that I have to wait for like 1 hour just because there's another car they have to do and then there's another Ninja 300 bike which they have to work right now. So I need to wait for like 1 hour. So finally after waiting for 1 hour, he started to work on my bike. So stickering guy says that I need to first there's a lot of detailing on the bike, so it needs to be completed very carefully. So maybe it's gonna take a very long time until I reach home. So I need to wait for 2 hours more until the bike gets completed. been 1 hour 30 minutes, so in 30 or 40 minutes the whole work will be completed, so I can finally look of the bike in a complete wrap. So right now what the problem is, my GoPro is running out of charge, so I won't be able to record further. Hey guys, so this is Shark in front of you. So you guys must be knowing that I call my bike Amelia. So Amelia is changed to Sharky. So Sharky is very gorgeous and very attractive, a lot more than Amelia. So last night I couldn't record because the GoPro was out of charge and I was very tired too. So let's talk about the sticker quality and whatever happened, like I will explain to you right now. So it takes about 10 to 15 days to get your package delivered. So it's like it's good, like you need to wait for 15 days until you get the package. So the quality of the sticker is very top notch. The design is also very good. I didn't expect this kind of amazing quality from Rapender. So I'm literally love the bike. It doesn't even look like a Ninja 300. Probably I have to say it looks like a super bike. Actually the Ninja 300 doesn't look like 300cc bike. So probably on these stickers it looks like a complete 600cc or a 1000cc bike. So while stickering, we have faced just one issue. That was the tank part and the visor mask. I didn't want the visor mask, so this is the tank issue we have faced. So there was a complete sticker for the wrap, for the tank wrap. So the sticker guy asked me what to do because the sticker was not matching with the tank decals or design. So I was very confused what to do. I didn't have any idea what we are supposed to do. So what the sticker guy has done is he cut the wrap over there and sticker it back, stick it back again. So that was the only issue that we have faced. The sticker guy says that it was the older version model because there was many edges we had to cut down to make it perfect. So that was the only issue that we have faced, and there's nothing else that I have to talk about the problems of the wrap. The quality and the design is very top notch. I can suggest you guys go for this because they also give a premium quality warranty of 3 years and the basic version has the 1 year warranty. So I guess it's one of the best wrap thing ever. So I guess I have covered every topic that you guys wanted to hear in this vlog. The details of the shop, details of the Rapender team and the delivery thing and the quality of the sticker. So in future I'll be able to do a review video after 2-3 months. So if you guys want to hear, or if you guys have any queries or just any questions of the bike or the wrap team or the sticker shops, just drop them in the comments. I'll reply to very soon, and check the description for further information, and subscribe my channel for supporting me and to see more content of this thing. Thanks for watching guys. See ya, have a great day.